Okay, so I'm getting ready to travel for the holidays this week and today, and I'm traveling across the country to visit family like many other Americans. And so let's talk about one of the elements that is very of utmost interest to anyone traveling, and that's going to be lithium, right? Now, why is lithium so important to the travel industry? Well, obviously, this is where we get our lithium ion batteries from. So it's used in lithium metal batteries and lithium ion batteries. And so, when you're traveling with the TSA, make sure that your batteries are secure and your contacts, the contacts on the battery are actually covered with some tape, so that they don't, they don't conduct a current and catch on fire. So that's very important. Safety first, right? Lithium's also used in the mental health industry. It's actually a common drug as a mood stabilizer, and it's used in the treatment of like bipolar disorder and other mental health ailments as well. So lithium's actually a fairly light element. It's atomic number 3 right here. See, there's the atomic number. Here's the electron configuration. So it's got an electron configuration very similar to helium right there. And it's got a crystalline structure, so it's it's a solid at room temperature. Its melting temperature is 180.5 degrees Celsius. That's 356.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and its boiling point is much higher, 1344 Celsius and 2451 degrees Fahrenheit. So it has a very high melting and boiling temperature. Hence, as a solid, it's actually a silvery white substance as a solid, and of course, it has a crystalline structure right here, right? Now, this lithium is actually over on the left side of the periodic table, so it's an alkali metal. So these are generally reactive. They form +1 ions. And it's also, lithium has a very low density. It's 0.534 grams per cubic centimeter. Its low density is probably one of the main reasons why it makes a great battery, because you don't want a battery to weigh a lot. And if you have a lithium ion battery, since lithium weighs very little and is just moving around electrons, which also don't weigh a whole lot, those lithium ion batteries are very efficient, especially in consumer electronics, but can be fairly dangerous because it also could catch on fire. So there is lithium.